Hello students, today we are going to solve practice set 14 from the lesson HCF and LCM. So let us start. Question number 1, choose the right option. First one, the HCF of 120 and 150 is, the answer is 30. By prime factorization method, the factors for 120 and 150 are written. Then for finding HCF, choose the common factors and their multiplication. HCF is equal to product of common factors. Therefore, 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. 30 is the HCF for numbers 120 and 150. The HCF of pairs of this pair if of number is not 1, means following 4 pairs are given of numbers. In that we have to find out which pair is not having HCF as 1. So first pair 13 and 17, both are prime numbers, so they will have only one factor common as 1. So this will not be the answer. Now second pair 29 and 20, one is composite number and one is prime number. 29 is prime and 20 is composite. Even one is even, another is odd. Hence they will share only one common factor as 1. So this will be also not the answer. Pair number 3, 40 and 20. Okay, they will have more than one common factors. So HCF of this 40 and 20 will not be 1. And for the fourth pair 14 and 15, one is even, one is opposite, so they will also have the one as their common factor. So answer is pair number 3, 40 and 20. Question number 2, find the HCF and LCM. As we have solved many types of sum like this, so by prime factorization method we will choose the common factors for HCF or their products, and the product of common and uncommon both the factors is LCM. Hence HCF is equal to 2 into 7, that is 14, and LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 7, which is equal to 28. So HCF for 14 and 28 is 14 and LCM is 28. Here 32's factors are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is 5 times 2's multiplication. 2 2's are 4, 4 2's are 8, 8 2's are 16, and 16 2's are 32. And here 16 is equal to 4 times 2's multiplication. So HCF is equal to common factors and their multiplication, which is equal to 16, and LCM is equal to common factors as well as uncommon, their multiplication is 32. Hence the LCM is 32. Third one, 17, 102 and 70. 17 is a prime number, so the factors are 1 into 17. For 102 is equal to 2 into 51. Then 51 as 3 into 17. 17 3s are 51. So 102 is equal to 2 into 3 into 17. Then 170 is equal to 2 into 85. Then 17 5s are 85. So factors are 2 into 5 into 17. Common factor is only 17. Hence HCF is 17. And LCM is equal to 2 into 3 into 5 into 17, which is equal to 510. Fourth one is 23 and 69. 23 is a prime number, so 23 is equal to 1 into 23. 69 is equal to 3 into 23. So HCF is common number 23 and LCM is equal to 3 multiplied by 23, which is equal to 69. Fifth one sum is 21, 49 and 84. 21 is equal to 3 into 7, 49 is equal to 7 into 7, 84 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. Here HCF is 7. That 7 is the factor present in all three numbers factors. And LCM is equal to product of common and uncommon factor, that is 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 7s are 84, 84 into 7, then that is equal to 588. HCF is 7, LCM is 588. Question number 3, find the LCM. LCM only. The sum is of 36 and 42. So by vertical layout method, calculate the factors. LCM is equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36, and 36 multiplied by 7, which is equal to 252. Second one, 15, 25, 30. So first divide the number 30 by 2, as 15 2s are 30. Then 15 can be divided by 5, as can be divided by 3, as 3 5s are 15. 25 as it is, 3 5s are 15. Then 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25, and 5 1s are 5. LCM is equal to 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30, 30 5s are 150. Third sum is 18, 42 and 48. Three numbers, all these three can be divided by 2, as 2 9s are 18, 21 2s are 42, and 24 2s are 48. Again divide this 24 by 2, as 12 2s are 24, 9 and 21 as it is. Then again divide 12 by 2, as 2 6 are 12. Then this 9, 21 and 6 by 3, as 3 3s are 9, 3 7s are 21, and 3 2s are 6. Now LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 2, which is equal to 1008. The next sum is fourth one, 4, 12 and 20. By vertical layout method, calculate the factors, as 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12, 2 10s are 20. Then again divide by 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. Now LCM is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60. Now the fifth one example, 4 numbers are given there, 24, 40, 80 and 120. All these 4 can be divided by 2, as 12 2s are 24, 22s are 40, 42s are 80, and 62s are 120. Then again 2 2 6 are 12, 2 10s are 20, 2 20s are 40, and 32s are 60. Again by 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10, 2 10s are 20, and 15 2s are 30. Then 15 5 10 3 are present here, so divide them by 3. 3 1s are 3, then 3 5s are 15, 5 and 10 as it is. Now for 5 and 10, both can be divided by 5, as 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. Hence LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 and into 2, that is equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 5s are 120, and 120 into 2 is 240. Question number 4 is, find the smallest number which when divided by 8, 9, 10, 15, 20 gives a remainder of 5 every time. So by prime factorization method, first of all calculate the factors for given numbers. 8 is equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 9 is equal to 3 3s are 9, 10 is equal to 2 5s are 10, 15 is equal to 3 5s are 15 and 20 is equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. Now choose the common factors. Common factors are 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 and uncommon are 2 and 3. So LCM is equal to product of both common as well as uncommon factors. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60, 62s are 120 and 123s are 360. Therefore, LCM is 360 and the smallest number where the remainder remains 5 that we are going to add in this 360. So 360 plus 5 is equal to 365. The smallest number is 365. Whenever these numbers will divide it, remainder will be 5. The next question is reduce the fractions to the lowest terms. The first one is 348 divided by 319. So here we will use the division method for finding HCF. We will find the HCF first and then we will reduce the fraction. Now here 348 can be divided by 319 as 319 ones are 319. Then after subtraction 29 remains. Then divisor is 29 and 319 is a dividend. Now 29 ones are 29. So after subtraction 29 remains. Now again divide this 29 by 29. 29 ones are 29. And the answer comes 11 and the divisor is 29 here. So here remainder comes 0 after dividing the number by 29. Here HCF is equal to 29. Now reduce the fraction. The fraction is 348 divided by 319. Divide both numerator and denominator by 29. Then we have the reduced fraction as 12 divided by 11. The next fraction is 221 divided by 247. Now use the division method. Then 247 can be divided by 221 as 221 ones are 221. After subtraction 26 remains. Now 221 will be the dividend and 26 is the divisor. 26 8s are 208. The subtraction is 13. Now here 13 is as a divisor and 26 is the dividend. So easily 13 2s are 26. Subtraction is 0. Hence HCF is 13. The fraction can be reduced by dividing numerator and denominator by 13, which is equal to 17 by 19. Here now the next fraction is 437 divided by 551. Now the bigger number 551 divided by 437 as 437 ones are 437. Then subtraction is 114. Make it divisor of 437. Then 114 threes are 342. Then subtraction is 95. Make 95 as divisor of 114. 114 is dividend here. Now 95 ones are 95. Subtraction is 19. And then 19 as divisor, 95 as dividend. 19 5s are 95. Remainder 0 after subtraction. Now here HCF is equal to 19 and the fraction can be reduced by dividing numerator and denominator by 19, which is equal to 23 by 29. I hope you understood all these sums. For the next examples or for the next 4-5 sums, we will solve them in next part of video. Till that, subscribe the channel.